Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a group chat and TikTok apps. So it's super simple. After you open after you open the TikTok apps, you can select inbox and select this icon in the top right corner, message icon, and just click on the icon in the top right corner to make it a group chat, and select the people you like to invite to group. Just click chat. Alright, go back. Select a group chat. New group chat. Right, and it will appears here, but I don't know with the trouble in this video. Okay, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.